Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Gerard, Experience as the Greatest Teacher. Experience combined with wisdom and an open mind is the greatest teacher, for that epiphany couldn't have happened without the experience that brought you there. You had to have a spiritual awakening to know who you truly are, your depth and your reason for being. You had to have an epiphany to know your origin and the source that created you and is in you. The experience is never an accident. And if you listen to the experience and what it taught you, you'll realize everything is orchestrated in divine order and timing. Get beyond the experience by seeking inward to know its purpose for being. For when you seek within and back away, you can see experience with a new perspective. New perspectives create a new reality. Experience can either pull us back or move us forward. It all depends on our reaction to the experience, and if we choose to seek inward. Seeking inward means seeking the experience as the god or goddess within you would see it. It's realizing our higher self is always seeking growth, and when we embrace that, growth is inevitable. There is a god or goddess inside you at all time wanting you to seek it, for it knows the ideal pathway for your life. This god or goddess knows how to react to new experiences and challenges. It knows how to overcome and conquer, and it knows how to reach the mountaintop. This god or goddess can do anything you want. You just have to be in alignment with it. Being in alignment with it means you think like it, you speak like it, and you follow its inspired action steps. The only control you have is through thought, word, and action. And when you allow the divine to guide your every thought, word, and action, anything is possible. You probably heard the scripture, "With God, all things are possible." Realize this: God lives inside you at all times, providing you with the insight, inspiration, and wisdom you need for your unique journey and experience. Recognize your depth, your strength, your wisdom through the god or goddess you are, and don't ever shrink back. Realize nothing is too difficult for the great I am. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. When you allow God, universe, source power, whatever you want to call that inside you, to guide you, just let go of the ego and calm your vibes and follow that, the love that you get from whatever it is that you do. Follow that. I believe that's what you're here for. I believe that's your soul wanting you to do whatever it is that you're here for and giving you that strength to want to do it. I believe if you follow love, you'll always be happy. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful week and a beautiful day today.